This is my 2018 GMC SLT. Going to get a leveling kit put on it, and just thought I'd make a little video of the before and after of the rake. This is my business truck, so I want to kind of keep it looking stock but get a little more level. So this is the before. And I'll make an after. Putting on this Moto Fab lift leveling kit. It's supposed to be made for Ford, Chevy, GMC, Dodge, Toyota, and Nissans. Had pretty good reviews online, so gonna put it on. Kind of go the cheap route. If the drive quality isn't good, then I'm gonna pull these off and go with the coilovers from Fox, but was gonna try this less expensive option first. We'll see how it goes. So this is after the 2-inch lift leveling kit. I think it was more like 2.5 inches. Totally leveled her out. There's still a slight rake maybe, which I'm fine with. I'd rather it kind of rake down a hair in the front than in the front be higher than the back, and then when I hook my boat up, it won't. So far the drive quality has been fine. I still need to get my tires aligned after they leveled it out, but I'm gonna do that on Monday.